Hello. Okay. Hello. 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 Welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell right off the bat, my voice is going through puberty. I don't know what's happening. I'm apparently a 12-year-old boy. I apologize if at times it is hard to hear me, or, you know, like it cracks, or I just look like I'm in pain or uncomfortable or awkward. I apologize for that. In today's video, we are going to be doing this like rose gold peachy eye look. It turned out way more glam than I thought it was going to. I started in my mind thinking like, okay, like a light eye, like a light peachy rose gold eye with a kind of like a little bit of a darker lip. And here we are. I made quite a few mistakes in this video. You'll see how to fix things when things go wrong or not the way you expected. Also, a little bit of story time about like kind of what I want to create with this makeup channel. Before we get started, go ahead and stop, look down. Please make sure you're subscribed. I actually can run a report now and it shows that like 10% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed and 90% of people who watch them are not. So don't be in that 90%. Let's make that number, let's just make it even. You know, I'm not even trying to like be more subscribed than not subscribed. I'm just trying to have balance here. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, because you know, even though the video hasn't started yet, you love this intro, right? Like it's super funny, my voice, I need the support. Stay tuned for the bloopers at the end. Let's go ahead and get started. Anytime I use eyeshadow, especially eyeshadow with color in it, I always start with my eyes. So my brows are done and my eyelids are prepped. Today I'm going in with the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette. If you've never used anything from Too Faced, all their makeup smells like food. And I heard the peach powder tastes like peach, so that's something I may need to buy just to try. I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Peach Tea, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I'm just using a pretty big fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe M505. For those who are interested. This palette cost $65. It was technically my Christmas present from my dad, because he just got me a gift card and was like, you know, here's some money, which God love you. And I've been wanting this palette for so long, and I'm like, this $65 is a lot to spend on an eyeshadow palette. It was totally worth it. And then now going with a packing brush, and I'm going in with this color Peach Punch. And this is the dual-sided MAC brush. One side is natural hair and the other side is synthetic. And so I'm going to go in with the dark side with the synthetic side, and I'm really just gonna like pack that color on there. And I'm starting along my lash line, and I'm just gonna like press the color onto my lid, moving up, because I want most of the color to be right here on my lid, and then I kind of want it to fade into my transition color. And then without adding any color, I'm just gonna hold it super light right here at the end of the brush. I'm just gonna lightly blend out the edge. Okay, so I do want to deepen the corner right here. So I'm going in with this color Peach Tart. I'm just gonna take kind of like a synthetic medium-sized buffing brush, and I'm literally just gonna like tap the tip in right there. Super with a super light hand. I'm gonna kind of place it on the outer V of my eye, and then in small circular motions, kind of blend it in. I don't know what I do. This eye always looks super good, and this eye looks like I just like the palette on my face. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on it because that makes me crazy. Let's just go right into like the glitter topper that I'm gonna have. So I found this in my makeup collection when I was cleaning it out, and it's the Tarte clay pot in the color rose gold. I got this a long time ago, I think like almost a year ago, and I haven't used it a whole lot, and I found it and I was like, why don't I ever use this? It's so pretty. I'm gonna take it and put it on my finger just like that, and I'm going to kind of press it on my eyelid right over that pink. it seems to be taking off the color. It literally just wiped off all my eyeshadow. All right. Instead, I'm gonna take this little tiny small lip brush and I'm gonna try to put it on with there. And look, if this doesn't work again, I might just have to scratch this whole thing. Let's hope it works though. It's probably why I haven't used it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's better. Here I am, I added the glitter. It came out to kind of a cut crease-ish rose gold eyelid. That's fine. It's not how I thought it was gonna look, but that's just what it's gonna be for today. So, you know, there's no mistakes in makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face, starting with the Master Prime by Maybelline Blur and Illuminate Face Primer. So I am going to be going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the color Patagonia. I went and visited a couple of friends of mine, and they are marketing geniuses. The wife has an MBA in marketing, and then the husband owns his own business and has been doing his own marketing for I don't know how long, like any number I say is gonna be made up, but let's say he's been doing his own marketing for like 10 years. And he's super successful. Both of them are just like incredibly knowledgeable. You know, we're really close, and I asked him, I'm like, you know, what are some tips that you could give me for kind of like my makeup page, like how to brand myself, marketing, like to just get more followers. And we watched a couple of my videos. The biggest advice they had for me, or my biggest takeaway, was to stop labeling myself a makeup guru, because that industry is so saturated. And they like watch my videos and they're like, you're really funny. You're a comedian. Basically, you're a comedian who does makeup. Real quick, I'm going with the ColourPop concealer and the Color Light 18B3. So they said, you're a comedian who does makeup. And my very first thought was like, so I look funny? That's not what they were saying though, obviously. You know, but it really did resonate because the people in my life do tell me like that I am funny. So I think that's gonna be kind of the direction I try to go. Of course, like, you know, when someone tells me to be funny, I get all crazy about it. And I have no jokes. I have no jokes. I don't even really know what makes me funny. I guess I just like tell stories. So anyway, that's what's going on with me. If you find me trying to make more jokes, or I don't know, if I think that I'm funny and you want to tell me that I'm not, feel free to. Pounce this in with my beauty blender. I am going to be doing a little bit of contouring today using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Mocha. Really, when I do cream contours, I really focus on my cheeks. And I go kind of like high. So, you know, people talk about going kind of like inside your cheekbone, but I go a little high with it. And I'm just going to take a stiff, kind of stiff stippling brush. And I'm really just gonna blend that out. All right. I'm gonna do a little bit of baking using my RCMA powder. I'm just gonna take it right here with the clean sponge. And then I'm gonna take just a super big fluffy brush and lightly set the rest of my face with that powder. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my under eye. I think, how am I gonna do it? What am I gonna do? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a brown eyeliner. I'm using Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Whiskey. So I'm gonna run it along my lower waterline and also my upper eyelid with it. I am gonna kind of take this dark color right here in the end, and I'm just gonna pull it down to like blend in with my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with that Peach Punch color just on the tip, very lightly on the tip here, and I'm gonna wash out my under eye. That's good. Okay. Then I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar blush in the color Hush Blush. Spray my face with some Fix Plus. Press it in with a sponge. Then I'm going in with Master Chrome Highlight in Molten Rose Gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the face. Now I'm gonna set my face to make it last. So the Fix Plus really melts the makeup into the face. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock-It Spray to make it last. For the lashes, I'm going in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I love this mascara. It takes a little bit to dry, but it really does like add a lot of length to my lashes. However, if you use too much, it will clump on you. For lips, I'm going in with ColourPop's lip pencil in the color Chai, C-H-I, and then their lippy in the color Speed Dial. Okay, here we are. Here is the finished look. I did go back in and I added some no shade lipstick just in the center of my lips because it was a little orange for me. I made a lot of mistakes. I hope that you at least saw how like you can overcome those mistakes and like no matter what, it's just makeup. You literally can just either wipe it off or go over it or add to it and create like a completely different look. So this is not the look that I thought I was gonna start with, but I'm happy with it nonetheless. You know, working at the gym tonight, super appropriate. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you laughed. I hope you learned something. And if you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up. You know, trying to build myself, trying to build, you know, my brand or whatever I'm trying to do here. I am just trying to like get out there more. So would love to hear your guys' feedback. All good and bad criticism is welcome. Comments, please leave them below. And yeah, stay for the bloopers. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you later. Bye. Anyway, welcome to today's video. That's kind of weird, right? So anyway, welcome. Let's go. Let's get into it. And yeah. So I'm sure you're really gonna like the video. And go ahead and get started. Here we go. I haven't talked all day. Like I've been laying in bed and I decided to film a video. So if you've never used anything from toothpaste. So even though I've dipped in 3 times now, you know, if I was going like in, whatever, I don't even know what I'm talking about. All this is getting cut out. Oh. But you guys saw how I put the mash. You guys saw always itches right here by the side of my nose. Oh, my face itches so much. Oh, my lighting just went away. Oh, it's so rude. I can't see shit. Oh, goddamn. Son of a bitch. Oh. Gross. Every time. Every fucking time I get mascara right there. Y'all want to know the real gag? I am not wearing any pants because it is 80 degrees in Chicago and we don't have our air conditioning on, and I'm not about to be in here sweating. And I think that's it. Oh God. All right, I gotta go to work.